Left target, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that was good. That was really good, dude. That's right low.
Yeah.
Instead of the center, you can see it.
So it needs to go up, right?
Yep. Put another one in it, just for giggles, before you go up. Just to make sure you get a hole in a hole. At least it isn't throwing it now.
What they ask you is on the renewal.
Yep, you gotta do that, huh? Yeah, I can squeeze the trigger all day long, nothing gonna happen. This is really quiet now. Alright, that's about the same height.
Yeah, but I
just
still...
a little left. So you can probably raise it, huh? You going up? Can you lock that so it won't move?
And I'm a little bit right too, right?
Yep. But your right might not be something you want to mess too much with, because you went left on that second shot with about the same elevation.
Yeah, but I had already moved it.
Oh, you did?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. No.
Well, whatever. I see still.
Oh, dude, it's high.
All the time on
Just a touch. Just a couple clicks. So you're seeing it.
Yeah.
Do you know where the speedway's at?
Yeah.
That parking lot over where the Blockbuster used to be?
Oh, I don't know if that way.
Yeah.
I mean, it's changed since.
Right.
Down there.
Speedway.
Okay, do one more. Don't touch it.
There's a
Just do one more.
Blockbuster that used to be right there in the shoulder and stuff. There's a post house there. That,
Oh, you gotta reload.
no.
So what's different about this ammo?
It's 1 in 12. It's set up for. It's set up for a 1 in 12 barrel instead of 1 in 10 or 1 in 8.
9 or 8 or whatever.
Yeah.
So what is a different projectile on it?
Hmm?
No, this is ammo you had loaded?
No, no.
bought
I
it?
bought it. Yeah.
So it's over the counter.
Yeah.
Some of them, they belong here.
No, the people that they were sending back were ones that were criminals.
Yeah.
People that were here illegally, passed their
But they're
visas,
saying that they're
and
paranoid because they're sending me back there. I'm going to get killed.
too bad, you shouldn't have broken the law.
I'm like,
About like the hookah bar,
Okay.
the hookah places, the
You didn't touch anything?
Yeah, I did.
What did you do?
by
Went up?
myself.
Yeah.
Good enough.
People that are protesting. Then I'll come
Right now you want to do a group of 3 or 4, you know what I mean?
it's not tobacco, right?
Yeah.
Because I think that last shot before this one was dialed in. I really do.
Well, you know, Shelby,
So it's like
is one of the highest calls that they have, Shelby Police Department, is to the
more
hookah
and
bars
more
and
and
all
more. I feel like I need security. Well, where I work too. I'm like, I probably should look.
You still running? Well, you can tell it. We got enough.
We got Indians,